Greetings, Team LCPS. This is your proud Superintendent Doug Straley, and here we go. Today, August 12, 2026, marks the first day of a brand new school year and the start of another exciting chapter on our journey to greatness. There's nothing quite like the first day of school, and today our hallways were once again filled with hugs, high fives, smiles, and excitement as our students returned. And as I visited our schools, I was reminded of what makes Team LCPS so special. Our people and the relationships we share. From the time our students step off the bus in the morning through the final bell of the day, our team has the privilege of providing a world-class experience for our students. It is a privilege we don't take for granted. To our students, we are so excited to have you back. You are the reason we do what we do, and we're going to give you our very best every single day. To our families, thank you for your continued support and the partnership. And thank you for entrusting us with your child's education. And to our staff, I am so proud of you and grateful for the difference you have made and will continue to make in the lives of our students. You are the best of the best, and I'm proud that Team LCPS is more than just your job, it's your home. There's so much to look forward to this school year, and I can't wait to see what we accomplish together. Let's cheer each other on, let's give each other our best, and most of all, let's be Louisa and lead the way. And now, as we begin our journey, enjoy some clips from our first day as we ask members of Team LCPS what they're most excited about now that school is officially back in session. Have a great year, and never forget, we are Team LCPS.
This school year, I'm most excited about meeting my new 8th grade students.
This school year, I'm most excited about math classes.
Good morning. I'm most excited about, I just have this feeling that it's going to be an awesome year this year. And I'm just really excited that all our students are back and that we're ready to go.
This year I'm most excited about getting my cosmetology and barbering students licensed.
This school year I am most excited about growth.
This year I'm excited about field hockey and seeing my dad around campus.
I'm excited to learn.
Hey, Team LCPS!
We're excited to fill kids' bellies.
This school year, I'm excited to see my friends and my teachers this school year.